Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I received in January Fab Bag. And yeah, so this time they have sent only 4 products and I'm going to show you what they have sent. So yeah, so without any further delay, let me show you what they have sent me this time. So this is the bag they have sent. This is a black color Fab Bag and the quality as usual is not that good. I don't like the quality of the bag. So yeah, so let me show you what else they have sent. So they have sent the first product is from the brand Skinlicious. I never heard of this brand. This is their cucumber gel with aloe vera and coffee berry, all skin and hair types. This is like an Ayurvedic recipe, 100% botanical extract, and this is for 299 rupees. And this is basically a gel, and which you can use it on your face and as well as on your hair. So I'm pretty excited to try this cucumber gel, and it also has aloe vera and coffee berry, which is really good for the skin. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited to try this cucumber gel. The second one is nail polish, and this is from the brand Lari Holo Me Good. This is like a holographic nail polish, and this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in a black cardboard packaging like this, and this is how the bottle looks like. It comes in a glass bottle, a very simple bottle, and the color I'll just show you. It's like a glittery blue color nail polish. It looks pretty nice. You can see how it looks. You can see the color. It's a beautiful blue shimmery nail polish. I really like the color. It looks nice. You can see. I'm gonna apply this. So yeah, this is the nail polish they have sent, and this is non-toxic, 9 free formula, no parabens, and it's made in India. And the price of this nail polish is 499, which is really cool, right? So yeah, I'm really pretty excited. You can see the color, it looks pretty nice, right? So this is the second product. This is the nail polish. The next product is from the brand Bo Tray, and this is their multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream night infusion. This is for 699. And I already used this cream like a day before. I really like the cream, and I'm really excited to try and get back to you guys with the detailed review of this cream. It has really nice ingredients. It has olive oil, almond oil, and it has apple extract, it has grapeseed extract, this has rosemary and all, and it is really a cool cream. I have already used this once day before yesterday. Just wanted to try it out. So I'm really excited to try this cream. This is really a nice brand because I've already tried a few products from this brand, and it really worked on my skin, and I have never tried this product, this cream. So I'm really excited. This is for 699 and the quantity you're getting is 30 grams, and this is how it looks like. The color is like a pale yellow color. I'm really excited to try this night cream. So the fourth product is a surprise they have sent. This time there was no choice, to select any product. So they have sent a nice lipstick case. This is like it comes in a tin box like this, and they have sent us 4 beautiful lipsticks, and this is from the brand C2P, and this is set of 4, and this is for 1200 rupees. And this is C2P Pro Epic Matte Lip Ink Set, and this is for 1200 rupees. And these are the 4 colors they have sent, and I've already applied the shade Arctic Vineyard on my lips, and this is a pretty nice lipstick, guys. I just used it now for the first time, and this is pretty light on the lips. I don't feel anything heavy on my lips, and I really am excited to try the colors. This is the first shade I'll show you. You can see how quickly it dried on my hand. It doesn't take more than 10 to 20 seconds to dry. The shade this is 01 Tranquil Brown. This is the shade. It comes in a plastic transparent tube like this, and I really like the packaging. It's small and sturdy. You can carry in your handbag. The second color is Immortal Ruby, and this is like a beautiful red color, I guess. You can see this. Yeah, this is like a beautiful red color, and you can see how quickly it dries. It has a light mild fragrance, which is okay. The third shade I'm wearing is Arctic Vineyard, and this is like a wine color. You can see here, wine color. I think this color will look beautiful on all skin tones. Even the second one will look good on all skin tones. The first one is little light and I think it might suit fair to medium skin tone. So the fourth shade is 04 Lustrous Fuchsia, and this is how it looks. This is like a beautiful fuchsia pink. So these are the 4 colors they have sent. I'm really excited to try them, and I am really excited. Actually, I'm happy with the shade I'm wearing. This is that Vineyard shade, and it's pretty light on the lips, you can see, and I don't feel anything heavy on my lips, which is really cool. And yeah, so these were the 4 products I received in FabBag for January month. I'm really excited to try all the products, especially the watery cream and the cucumber gel, and the lipstick I've already told you it's really pretty cool, and I'm really excited. So yeah, this was the unboxing video of FabBag January, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. I wish you guys a very happy new year. Take care. God bless. Bye.